How to apply your YouTrip card. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can apply for YouTrip card. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. In order to apply for a YouTrip card, first of all, you go ahead and then launch the YouTrip application like this. And then after you've done that, you have to register an account by tapping on Get Started, entering your mobile number and tapping on the Next button. After you start the registration, right, if you have Singpass, you can use it to retrieve and verify your personal information. Otherwise, you'll need to manually input your details. You can review the information to be shared and agree to the terms and conditions. Ensure your delivery address is correct. The application will be processed usually within 1 to 2 working days. And once approved, you can start using the virtual YouTrip card for online transactions. And the physical YouTrip card will be mailed to your address within 5 to 7 days. Activate your physical card through the app once you receive it. This way you can activate or apply for YouTrip card. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.